Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some permanent outdoor lights. So if you, it's getting close to the holidays, so if you want to do a Christmas lights, but you can also do for any other holidays, almost Halloween. And inside the box, you get all the different lights and things like that, and you get the power extension thingy, and then this is the receiver. You could push the buttons, I think, to turn it on manually, and then you have all these different mounting hardware stuff as well. It even comes with a few little extension things so you can extend it longer. Up in one of these corners here, hopefully you can see it turned on right now in my house. I had it installed already and just basically screwed it up into things, but you get this app and see, here you go, you got it says, I called mine permanent lights, but you can go and you can just choose different presets. So I could just say I want Halloween, and now it'll have Halloween on the outside and different Halloween ones. I could do Christmas ones. I could do whatever. I could do chasing where it chases them around. You just have so many different options. There's just so many different settings here that you can do. There you go. You can see lots of them here. Yeah, just so many. And then if you wanted to, you could even custom program your own. You could say, I want blue, red, green, yellow, whatever. Just make them yourself. You have all the different palette stuff there. And it's just really cool and super easy to set up and do. I mean, it just installed. I'm using the Smart Life app, but it also has its own little app that you could use, which connects to Smart Life as well. Basically, they use the engine from it. So because I have other items in there as well, I just put it all on the same. So it was great. It connects up. I can connect it up with my Alexa and just say,
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
And it'll start turn on the lights and do everything else too. So it is super cool. And up in one of these corners here, hopefully you can see all the different colors going, because it is just super cool. I love it. Thumbs up. So this is what it looks like here. I have it on a party mode here. There's all different modes, but this is 2 strands, so it's 200 lights. Or 200 feet, but you can see there's just lots of ones. I have a lot of lights on in the house, but you get the idea. It looks really cool and awesome.